Associate Professor Pedro Antunes and student researchers in his Plant and Soil Ecology Lab at Algoma University are taking what is being described as an innovative approach to invasive species research. They're not only looking for ways to control and eradicate unwanted plant species, they're also trying to determine if any benefits can be found by getting to the root of the problem.
In our lab, we're trying to determine how does the system respond? How do native species respond to the presence of these invaders? And so then in the lab, we take what I call a two-prong approach. So on one hand, we go and we get an invasive plant and we look at their roots and what pathogens, what microorganisms are living inside these roots that may be causing harm, that may be pathogenic, or organisms that are also in there that actually may be beneficial. We need to learn about them, and we do this by extracting DNA and then amplifying DNA from specific groups that we are interested in, bacteria, fungi. So we get to know, okay, who's living inside this plant. We go and try to culture them, and then find ways of using them, and who knows what kinds of products can come out of this. Inoculants, things that can actually promote the growth of plants in agriculture, or biological control agents that may allow us to augment these organisms in nature to help reduce the prevalence or the abundance of these invasive species.
The Plant and Soil Ecology Lab continues to be a work in progress, with new state-of-the-art equipment being added as funding is received.
This infrastructure is critical because we need to be able to not only do our research. In Sault Ste. Marie, we have very good connections and ties to our partners here at OFRI and GLFC, but we need to also on site and the building be able to be well equipped to train our students as young researchers, as new biologists, and they need the best equipment that is out there.
In addition to doing research work at the Plant and Soil Ecology Lab in the Biosciences and Technology Convergence Center at Algoma U, students also work at research sites in the field. For Shaw TV, I'm Tony Telebracci.